Ariko gambera aha mukorogu Engineer Joseph Orono Commissioner wa Amaizi o Ministry ayorekere ngu bonga Ministry bakozire omurimo gw'amani omukwisya amaizi mu bantu aho bicwekangaga na mushanjo harigana hatabayina amaizi.
We do acknowledge that we have not reached everybody in Uganda for access, but we have moved a long way. The current coverage is actually 67%.
Engineer Joseph atangarize ngo abantu 2,184 bakashaba amaizi kandi ahari aba bantigana shanju na mushanju nibo babasize kwikirizwa kutunga amaizi bwanyuma yo kushanga ngu oburofa omumaka gabo tubukubikiriza kutunga amaizi.
2,138, only 1,354 returned, and out of that, Chairman, only 177 qualified. Why did only 177 qualify? I'm bringing this up because some people can't meet the hygiene requirements.
Daniel Twachira okurwa mu office y'omujwekera wa presidenti atungira kakumu abantu abakozesa kubya amaizaga na munonga abarukushisha ebintu bimwe aha amaizaga. Ayongeire yabashaba okwatanisiza hamwe okurinda kandi bakakozesa amaizi ahabo burungi bumwanya gwabo.
Kokatu washanga no kwata pipe okagitema ngwita kasya mizo wananka bona mazimantu bantu koraki tukariza bebembezi bitu enyuma kandi mbashaba ngu kwatanisize hamwe okurinda egi project etakatugwa mukono.
Muchungu Samuel Rwakigoba orumukuru w'entebe ya katano ayorekero kushemerwa bwanyuma yo kushanga ngu eki batwire barinzire kumara obwire burengwa bakitungire kandi yayoreka ngo amaizaga negeja kuyamba aha kurinda amagara g'abantu omyanyeji.
Ndakubaza kubagambira ngo mtunga motiwetu nekizibu cy'amizi okunywa amizi mabi. Kuba ibicweka bya Nyabushenyi, ibicweka bya Nkongoro n'ahandi amizi gabo gabe gatabonire. Mwe nabuto atunga project age ya Kahama. Project age ni impango munonga abantu baza kubona amizi.
Robert Mugumye ormaneja w'ekitongore ekya Southwestern Umbrella ekibaheire omurimo ashoboreire ngu abantu birubo kubanza nabaza kutunga okusharwaho aha sente zo kushashura.
On the issue of connections, we are going to carry out promotional connections. So any applicant will pay 100,000 for 50 meters from the service line. Those will be the first people, the first 200 applicants. Then the remaining applicants, they will incur the total cost of their connections.
At our level, normally to get BOQs is difficult. And maybe at the district, I don't know, but you also have the same problems.
Ayorekero kushemerwa bwanyuma yo kutunga amaizaga kandi yagira ngo eki nikija kubayamba kumara hendwara ezurkuretwa amaizi mabi.
The community have been having so many diseases, as my fellow chairperson has mentioned: typhoid, diarrhea, what and everything. But now we are happy that we are going to use safe water.
Omurimo gukatandika mwaka gw'2018 kandi gwahebwa ba Mupa Technical Services Limited kugira ngo babe nubo bagukora. Agaga shakwa Samuel ahereza ahabwa Tayar West.